guys, Nabila here, and today I'll be sharing with you 3 Raya styles that you can try even though you have to stay at home. So Raya is just around the corner, and you can't go anywhere, you can't go visiting. Probably your Duit Raya is going to be a lot lesser this year, but they can do online transaction though. But I'm married, so it doesn't apply to me. Oh, I can give lesser. So you still want to look fabulous because you gotta take photos. You can't just leave 2020 blank. I know we have this whole pandemic happening, but that doesn't mean you have to be sad, you know? You just gotta be careful, not sad. So let's start. So for this one, I have done the styles before, but recently I went on a hair accessory haul on Shopee and I found some of these fabulous clips, and I thought, you know what, I could incorporate this with hijab because you know, being a hijabi, you always go through, you know, all these nice clips, but you realize that you can't reuse them. And I found these fabulous clips that I thought, you know what, I'm gonna use this because it's so gorgeous. Just look at them, and it's so cheap. So this probably could go up to, I don't know, this whole thing they probably would sell it for 50s or 80s, you know. These are so expensive. So I stopped shopping my accessories there, and I found this Shopee account that sells all these really nice hair clips. So I thought, let's try. For this one, I've actually done this tutorial before, but the difference is I tied a knot. And I realized when you tie a knot, it kind of gets loose over time, and sometimes, depending on the fabric, the knot can actually add weight to the back part of your head, which will cause your shawl to kind of go back and go back and go back over time. So to avoid the knot, I kind of took this clip. Actually, I was supposed to put it here, but then the clip is a bit too big, and I thought, what can I do with it? So what I did was, I just gathered this. Both sides could be equal, one side longer and shorter, you know, up to you. Shorter. And you just take the clip, and you just kind of gather the fabric at the back. And so just put on a fabulous earring, and you just take it up another notch. Fabulous. So this style is so simple that you could just do it like in 2 seconds, you know, because you're just going to be home. You don't want too much effort on the styling. You don't want pins here and pins there. So this is just one hair clip, and that's it. When you're done, you can just take it off. So okay, so for the second style, I got these pins, and look at them, they're so cute. And y'all came like in a pastel shade, and there's a clip there's a pin that even says Monday. So I am going to use this particular one because I think it goes really well with the shawl. So what you're gonna do is, I wear an earring inside still. So just kind of like this. And over here, just hold your fabric like that. And that's about it. You don't need a pin. I mean, it's kind of, I don't know if anybody has done it before. I've never seen people wearing this kind of clip. I know this is quite common when they just kind of pin it here, but I've never come across this one, and I think it looks quite nice. You know, it adds the whole, it makes your whole hijab style from normal to wow. You know, yeah, I love this. For third style, we're going to be using the pins that I mentioned earlier. I have this gorgeous purple pastel, and it's this yellow dusty kind of color. I just love how good it goes on with this, you know. So what you're gonna do is, this again is a style that I've done before, but we're just gonna improvise it a bit because we're gonna look fabulous, you know, just staying at home. So this one, just kind of ruffle it up. You know, you got the basics going on. You kind of just pin your clip here and here. And there, you look like a blogger. I see a lot of bloggers doing this, and they like to wear it with the hat, or like a sun hat, or even a cap, and it looks really, I mean, it's just a normal style that you do every day, but you just add on the spins and you just look a whole nother level. Like, just try to take a picture with this style, add on some filters. You don't need all those followers on your Instagram. All you need is a picture like this, and you're more than an influencer. Just look at you. I love this. I mean, I've never considered wearing hairpins with hijab before, but I always saw that it looks good on other people. But this actually looks pretty cool. So you can try this too for your hijab, for your Raya styling. I mean, because like I said earlier, you don't want too much things going on. You don't want to be wearing too many pins or brooch or any complicated style. This is a very simple one, and yet you still look so fabulous. Like, wow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tree style helped to upgrade your Raya photos. I know some of these styles, actually all three of the styles I've done before in my previous videos, but look at just how much of an upgrade it gets just by adding a couple of pins, you know. So I got more things. I went crazy shopping with this stuff, and maybe I'll try to incorporate more of hair accessories into hijab. Please give it a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and hit the bell if you want to know more of my videos that I post in the future. And Selamat Hari Raya, guys. Bye.